Hello, my name is Wyatt Harrell. I am a tech consultant with Intellius and Infor Alliance part of consulting firm. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about landmark reporting, specifically how to pull in a field to your report from a different business class. Also, going over some new functionality that Infor has recently rolled out. So, this is the report that I created in Report Catalog called the Employee Contact Report on the Employee BC. It's got some simple information right now, employee ID, first and last name, but I want to pull in the employee's personal phone number. And I know the employee's personal phone number is on the Employee Contact BC. See it here under My Employee, Personal Info. Here it is. We can look in that field and Control Shift click. See it's on Employee Contact, and this is the path I need to follow. Contact detail, telephone, subscriber number. So let's go ahead and bring that field in. So we go to the ellipses, reports, edit, this add button, add field to the advanced search interface. And so I'm going to look at max depth so we can pull in all relations. I'm going to look up the employee contact business class. So here we go, employee contact row. And the new functionality that Infor has recently rolled out is these blue links under the label column. These blue links allow us to actually drill back to the LPL in config console without actually having to navigate there. So here we can take a look at the LPL and see this is the relation that I need, pulling in one-to-many to employee contact, matching on HR org and employee ID. Looks good to me. So let's dive further into that. You can look for contact detail like we saw in the control shift click we did earlier. Here we go. Telephone, subscriber number. So we go ahead and pull that field in. And there you have it. That is how you can pull in a field from a different business class, as well as some new functionality. I hope this helps you. Please reach out to Intellius if you have any questions. Have a great day.